はい、こんにちは。今回の動画は倉庫も新しくなるんで重量棚やワークベンチに使えそうな棚探してきました。今回探した棚の耐荷重はなんと 3600kg、 3.6 トンです。そんな高荷重な棚を今回購入して組み立てていきたいと思います。今回購入した商品はこちらです。コストコウォーレンスチールラック4段セットです。まずは大型商品なので梱包の大きさ測ってみたいと思います。長手が 1920mm、 幅が 630mm、 高さ 180mm、 重さが 82kg です。購入の際は車に積めるか注意してくださいね。
My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Got me desperate for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. No game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
梱包内容、横張りが8本、サイドフレームが2本、ワイヤーデッキが4枚にボトムサポートが16本、そして今回使用する工具はなんとゴムハンマー、これのみです。
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
組み立て時間は2人で20分でした。簡単に製作できて耐荷重も最高です。棚を少し改造してワークベンチとしても使用できそうです。ご視聴ありがとうございました。グッド、サンクスボタン、チャンネル登録もお願いします。事務所と倉庫の建設費かなりオーバーしちゃったな。